Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how to purchase Puzzle Pro. First, if you don't have the extension installed, go to the given link in description and download it. Open the extension and click on Go Pro. Click on Subscribe. Enter your email address. Last step, fill the card details and click on Pay. Enjoy, you have purchased the Pro. You will get 30 Park bonus. You can use it to participate in giveaways as shown in the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in Puzzle Wallet Discord server. I will give a link in description. Thanks for watching.